Hello guys, welcome to the vlog. And ngayon, mabilisan lang comparison between full face and modular helmet. This is actually NHK GP1000, dual visor din po. This one is SEC Crosstrek helmet, dual sports and dual visor also. Okay, so mabilisan lang, quick comparison lang po. Modular helmet, actually mas versatile siya. Easy access, chin up and down, just like a full face helmet. Easy access din po when you are having a break. Madali kang makapag-inom ng tubig, hydrate, madali kang makipag-usap sa taong kausap mo. Madali kang makipag-usap kasi you just have to pull up the modular and no need to remove the helmet. Maririnig ka na ng kausap mo. Downside naman ito, this is actually heavier ng 300 to 400 grams, depende po sa helmet compared sa full face helmet. And also, disclaimer lang po, this is ECE and ICC approved, certified. So meaning, dumaan po siya sa safety protocols and whatsoever. Going back, depende po sa, huwag naman sana, pero pag may instance na may hindi inaasahang panahon, sometimes yung impact hindi kayang i-protect ng chin ng modular, lalo na pag malakas na yung impact. So isa po yun sa downside niya. Sa full face helmet naman, ito lighter siya, so siguro you are into long rides, mas convenient siyang gamitin kasi actually 300 to 400 lighter compared sa modular. Again, depende po sa helmet, pero usually ganun po yung weight ng mga helmet. And this is actually safer po. Pareho po silang ECE and ICC certified and approved, pero this one is solid po, hindi siya modular. So yung pagkagawa sa kanya is as one, as a whole. So less likely na magsha-shatter siya, pero depende rin po sa impact. Yung downside lang niya is mainit kasi if you have to hydrate, you have to remove the helmet. Hindi ka makakainom. If may kausap ka, again, you have to remove or sisigaw ka. So I think that's it. Mabilisan lang. So kayo na bahala. Please take it into consideration kung ano yung riding style nyo, kung ano yung purpose, and that's it. And thank you and ride safe. Bye bye.